In this video, we're going to talk about the quick release bridge plate, an ARRI standard bridge plate available in 15mm studio or 19mm standard rod spacing. This new design allows the bridge plate to drop down onto any point along an ARRI standard dovetail vertically, or you can slide on the end via the traditional method. To use the quick release bridge plate, you'll need a base plate to reach proper lens height, such as our unified base plate system, which has a dovetail that detaches, which we can then attach directly to the top of the bridge plate. So we will do that now. There are two ways to install the quick release bridge plate. Option 1 is to install vertically. Push the latch release button and position release lever at rear of bridge plate in the open position. At a slight angle, lower the bridge plate onto the ARRI standard dovetail and then move the lever into the middle position until a click is heard. Or, with the lever in the middle position, the bridge plate may also be installed onto the dovetail in a traditional method by sliding on from the end. To counterbalance, push the lever to the middle position and slide your camera to the desired location. To lock the camera in place, simply push the lever towards the front of the bridge plate. To remove the quick release bridge plate vertically from your dovetail, push the latch release button and move the lever all the way back. Then, lift off. These products are available in our store now.